Hi students, today we discuss a new concept that is valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. In short notation, this can also be named as VSEPR theory. Valence shell electron pair repulsion theory was proposed by Sidgwick and Powell in the year 1940. Further, this theory was improved by Gillespie and Nyholm in the year 1957. The valence shell electron pair repulsion theory mainly predicts the shape of the molecules without reference to the hybridization. The postulates of this theory are the shapes of the molecule depends on the number of electron pairs present around the central atom in the valence shell. The bonded pairs of electrons as well as the non-bonded pairs or lone pairs of electrons together will influence the shape of the molecule. The electron pairs orient themselves around the central atom in such a way that the repulsion between them are minimum. The order of repulsions between electron pairs is as follows. Lone pair electrons are having more repulsion in a molecule when compared with lone pair bond pair repulsion in a molecule. Whereas bond pairs electrons are having less repulsion in a molecule when compared with lone pair and lone pair bond pair electrons. The order of repulsion between different bonds present in a molecule is as follows. That means triple bonded molecules are having more repulsion when compared with double bonded molecules. The double bonded molecules are having more repulsion when compared with single bonded molecules. The lone pairs of electrons occupy more space around the central atom than the bond pairs because the lone pairs are having same in sign. So they repelled with each other. So they will occupy more space when compared with bond pairs. Because of lone pairs is attracted by only one nucleus, while the bond pairs is attracted by two nucleus. The postulates of valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. Now we can apply to the following tabular column. The tabular column mainly contains total number of electron pairs, bonded pairs of electrons, lone pair of electrons, shape and example for a molecule. For example, a molecule contains two electron pairs and these two electron pairs are in the form of bonded pairs. So there is no lone pairs of electrons. Such molecules are in linear shape. For example, beryllium dichloride BeCl2. In beryllium dichloride, beryllium is the central atom. Here there are two bond pairs of electrons. That means BeCl one bond pair, BeCl another bond pairs. And there is no lone pairs of electrons present in beryllium dichloride. So in this molecule the bond angle is equals to 180 degrees and it is linear in shape. This is an example for AB2 type of molecule. If a molecule contains three electron pairs, among them all are bonded pairs of electrons. In such case, there is no lone pair of electrons. Such molecules are in triangular planar in shape. For example, boron trifluoride molecule. In boron trifluoride molecule, the central atom is boron. This boron is bonded with 3 fluorine atom. So there are 3 bond pairs of electrons present in boron trifluoride. There are no lone pair of electrons present in boron trifluoride. So the bond angle between fluorine, boron and fluorine is equals to 120 degrees. This is an example for AB3 type of molecule. If a molecule contains 3 electron pairs, among them, 2 are bonded pairs of electrons and 1 is lone pair of electron. Such molecules are in V shape. For example, tin chloride molecule SnCl2. In tin chloride, tin is central atom. This is bonded with two chlorine atom. So there are two bond pairs present and the remaining one electron pair is in the form of lone pair. So in this diagram, the bond angle between chlorine, tin and chlorine is equals to 95 degrees. The tin chloride molecule is an example for AB2 type of molecule. If a molecule contains 4 electron pairs, among them 4 are in the form of bonded pair of electrons, then there is no lone pair of electrons are present. Such molecules are in the form of tetrahedral in shape. For example, methane, formula CH4. In methane, the central atom is carbon. This carbon is bonded with 4 hydrogen atoms. So, the number of bond pairs present in methane molecule is equals to 4. There are no lone pair of electrons present in methane. So, the bond angle in methane is equals to 109 degrees 18 minutes. This methane is an example for AB4 type of molecule. If a molecule contains 4 electron pairs, among them 3 are bonded pairs of electrons and 1 is lone pair of electron. Such molecules are in the shape of triangular pyramid. For example, ammonia. In ammonia, nitrogen is a central atom. This nitrogen is bonded with 3 hydrogen atoms. So, the number of bond pair electrons present in ammonia is equals to 3 and 1 lone pair of electron present on the head of the nitrogen atom. So, here the bond angle between hydrogen and nitrogen and hydrogen atom is equals to 107 degrees 48 minutes. Because of presence of lone pair of electrons, the bond angle reduces to 107 degrees 48 minutes. This is an example for AB3 type of molecule. If a molecule contains 4 electron pairs, among them 2 are bonded pairs of electrons and the remaining 2 are non-bonded pairs of electrons, then the shape of such molecules are V-shape or angular shape or bent shape. For example, water molecule. In water molecule, oxygen is the central atom. This oxygen is bonded with 2 hydrogen atoms. So, the number of bond pairs in water molecule is equals to 2 and the number of lone pairs is also is equals to 2. Here, the bond angle is 104 degrees 31 minutes. This is an example for AB2 type. If a molecule contains 5 electron pairs, among them 5 are bond pairs of electron. So, there are no lone pairs of electron. Such a molecule having triangular bipyramidal shape. For example, PCl5 molecule. In PCl5 molecule, phosphorus is the central atom. This phosphorus is bonded with 5 chlorine atoms. So, there are 5 bond pairs present in PCl5 molecule. The bond angle between chlorine, phosphorus and chlorine, here 90 degrees. Here the bond angle between chlorine, phosphorus and chlorine is equals to 120 degrees. So, the phosphorus pentachloride is an example for AB5 type of molecule. If a molecule contains 6 electron pairs, among them 6 are bonded pairs of electrons, there is no lone pairs of electrons. Such molecules are in the shape of octahedral. For example, sulfur hexafluoride. In sulfur hexafluoride, sulfur is the central atom. This sulfur is bonded with 6 fluorine atoms. So, there are 6 bond pairs present in sulfur hexafluoride and there are no lone pairs of electrons. So, the bond angle between fluorine, sulfur and fluorine is equals to 90 degrees. This sulfur hexafluoride is an example for AB6 type of molecule. In this way, the valency shell electron pair repulsion theory may explain the shape of the molecule as well as its bond angles. Thank you for watching this video.